guys, what's up? Welcome back. My name is Summer and I am stoked to be sharing today's video with you. It is the first one of the new year and Happy New Year to you all. And with that being said, it's also a really big one, which I am so excited to be sharing with you. It is an extreme bathroom remodel design. I have some new clients in Santa Monica and we've been doing some things in their space. I've kind of spruced up their living room a little bit, but this bathroom was the real project and undertaking. It came out so beautiful. They have two cutest little girls you've ever seen, and we needed to give them a major bathroom upgrade in here. I think that you're gonna really like this one. It's kind of this like Spanish meets coastal beachy Santa Monica vibes, I think. And I think it's perfect for two growing girls and like a guest bathroom, and it's so cute. I think you're gonna love it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, I would ask so kindly of you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue seeing more fun videos like this one, and so I can keep doing these videos for you. Some of the videos have slowed down a little bit, but that doesn't mean I haven't been working. Please follow along if you're not already doing so on my TikTok and on Instagram, so you can see some of the shorter videos, but I do plan on continuing to provide you with really big ones and cool ones, like today's video, this extreme bathroom remodel design. Check out what I do. We're cruising on over to Santa Monica. When I first checked out this bathroom, I thought that it had great potential. It was an older home and it just needed updating like major. It had linoleum, vinyl flooring. It had this old like window glass cinder block. It just needed a little zhuzhing, a little upgrade in here, and it was for two young girls' bathroom. It also served as a guest bath, and I had really fun ideas for this space right away. Here is my mood board for this extreme bathroom remodel design. It's kind of Spanish meets coastal vibes. Here you can see I'm using a lot of like natural terracotta colors in the tiles and some of the decor like the towels and rugs. I like using the app Milano. I've told you guys about this several times, but it's really my go-to with planning my projects. I just like it because it makes it so much easier for planning, and my clients can see the items, directly click the links and make purchases, and it's just a lifesaver. I knew that I wanted to do tile everywhere in this bathroom project. I wanted to do it as an accent wall behind the vanity, on the floor, and in the shower. I found this amazing Mallorca porcelain tile from Floors and Decor, and it really served as the main source of inspiration for this project. I loved this floral pattern, and I thought it was so cute. It kind of gave that Spanish meets the beach vibe that I loved. And I headed out to Floors and Decor, which is local to my area. I don't know if you guys have ever been here, but it is huge. It's like this humongous factory full of all things floor and tile, hence the name. Next up was just to get these samples so I could have with me to go and find my tile for the shower and tile for the floor, because I didn't find anything that I loved here. So my favorite tile shop here in the South Bay is called Baratalia's Tile. It's in Lomita, California. It is like a boutique-y kind of a tile showroom. They have so many amazing choices, including like handmade tiles, like this stunning one. And I just found the perfect flooring here. I loved this terracotta hexagon tile, and we ended up going with this like subway aqua tile that kind of had a little bit of variation in color for it, and I was so excited to see this finally come together. It was time for demo. I was so excited to get demoing in here. Here are some of my guys getting started. We had things being delivered and redelivered, and we were just getting ready to tear everything down, and oh my gosh, as things started kind of coming apart, it's so exciting to see it all unfold. This tile, once this tile went in the shower, I was so excited. Here the guys are just working really hard, and things are really finally starting to come together, and it looks so good. I got to do a little bit of DIY in each project I work on, and I wanted to give these clients a little bit of special artwork for them. I had asked my client, I was like, do you have really cute pictures of your daughters holding hands, maybe in a field, in a dress with their hair blowing? And she kind of looked at me like I was crazy. And instead of trying to ask her to become a photographer and do this, I went to a stock photo account and tried to find some pictures that kind of resembled her daughters just slightly. I mean, the whole idea was just to kind of give the implication or reference to two sisters holding hands. So I found this really cute pictures on a stock photo site, and here I am just kind of tracing them out. I had to use two different stock photos because I couldn't find pictures that combined one that looked like both of her daughters. Here I am kind of using the pen tool in Photoshop and tracing everything out. I also found a picture of like clouds on the stock photo site, and I just layered this in Photoshop and kind of just created some unique art for the space. And I think the color palette works really nice with the space, and it's just kind of something different and unique versus like buying something mass produced at like a home store. And I think it came out really cute. If you guys like seeing stuff like this, how I do this, and you want more like in-depth tutorials like on how I do this in Photoshop, let me know and I will gladly make a tutorial. I just kind of skip through it because not everybody has Photoshop or wants to learn how to use it. This is coming together quite nicely. I just kind of like duplicated the image here. I'm going to take this to Staples and have printed out, and it's going to look beautiful when I frame it. This next DIY was super easy. I found this really cute little inexpensive faux plant and this amazing frame from Home Goods that had just like this oversized white mat, and I am gonna just like frame this little leaf in here. And how stunning and simple and beautiful is this little DIY?